wants to get a title shot with Liang Na. Anyway, the age difference is 7 years, and both the height goes to Liu Xiaoni, but the reach going to Bактыгул.
本场 JCK MMA King Series 女子草量级的正赛争夺，两位选手身高155公分，臂展158厘米，体重52.50公斤，年龄21岁，来自于 JFC Team。MMA 综合格斗战绩8战5胜3负 ，JCK 战决胜战绩1战1胜。Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the blue corner from Kyrgyzstan. Gets ready for Kурманбекова, Bактыгул. 本场比赛，红方选手身高160公分，臂展156厘米，体重52.50公斤，年龄28岁，来自于泰格王格斗俱乐部。MMA 综合格斗战绩25战17胜8负 ，JCK 战决胜战绩4战3胜1负。他就是来自于中国的红方选手魔王刘晓妮。今天晚上比赛非常高兴邀请到了国内著名的擂台解说专家侯宇老师和刘聪老师，他们两位将在现场为大家带来今天晚上比赛的直播评述。同时，英文解说的部分非常荣幸的邀请到了著名的综合格斗运动员、教练员，同时也是赛事评论员的 Woody Parker 和 Andrew Derry 进行现场的呈现。同时，要特别感谢言之有理赵岩老师的鼎力相助。本场比赛场上裁判白云峰 ，The referee who charged in this octagon is Mr. 白云峰。
Judge, time, ready, fight!
All set to kick off the main card of JCK King Series 13. Here is Bактыгул fighting out of...
Bактыгул refuses to touch his glove with Liu Xiaoni.
Hey, once it's on, it's on. Protect yourself at all times. And Liu Xiaoni is in the red.
Bактыгул did a beautiful overhand, but Liu Xiaoni just ate it. And now we see it's Bактыгул looking to exchange the grappling. That's surprising.
Kурmанбекова, Bактыгул trying to take Liu Xiaoni down against the fence.
Liu Xiaoni showing wall size, nice eye.
One fight there did Bактыгул. Gets her down finally with authority.
Done. Yes,
there was a
thud her down
when they hit the mat. Bактыгул on top here. Liu Xiaoni, you're right. Look, December 23. Who's cut there?
Her not fighting?
She just had a baby.
Okay, so
yeah,
her fighting days are on pause.
Postponed
till later. Do you think she'll come back?
Hard to say. She also opened a gym in Chongqing.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So I think she is.
You traveled there last week, right, or 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, I go to Chongqing often. It's a great city, guys. Shout out Chongqing.
Oh, well, here we see Liu Xiaoni trying to utilize butterfly hooks. How long before the referee stands them up? Because we saw earlier tonight the referee doesn't show too much patience.
Different grappling. Different ref here.
There we go. The referee ain't having none of that.
Right as you say it, the referee not giving them a whole lot of time to work on the mat there. And Kурmанбекова Bактыгул is back on her feet against Liu Xiaoni, who's bouncing around. Oh, big shots. And a headlock throw attempt. She's actually able to get her down. A bit of a scramble
here. She
here.
might give up her back here.
She is.
She's
going for the arm lock.
That's an old judo trick.
It is. Let's see if she can get that arm.
Look at that. Liu Xiaoni already has one hook. I think Liu Xiaoni is going to take the back from this. I think Liu Xiaoni, all she needs to do is get that left hand. If she can get her left hand inside the left, her left hand inside the left elbow of Bактыгул, she can continue to climb up to the back. Oh, wow. She reverses her.
Beautiful reversal.
And she's on the hips. She's going to jump for 2 hooks. No.
And Bактыгул goes for a leg lock here.
Bактыгул
Let's see if she can go for the inside heel hook. That's a very rare submission in women's MMA. But it's very dangerous. Let's see if she can go for it.
Has her foot planted on the floor, which makes it hard. Liu trying to clear the legs at the same time.
That was an impressive roll by Bактыгул, rolling through to attack the leg here.
The problem is for Liu Shani is that right foot is inside reap. This is called the 50-50. Oh, now Liu Shani passes. Liu Shani
out of danger, and she's looking to attack the back. Jinx.
Man, we jinx each other every show. It's a tradition now, right?
Every single show.
Every show we go to jinx. Stop copying my words, buddy. All right, so Liu Shani here has her opponent's back. That body wrench, and she's looking to sweep the leg. Bактыгул, there she goes. Leg reaps, doesn't work.
Down. Bактыгул has a really good base, though. You see, she's
looks
going
for
to try
that judo
throw. And
but look, she gives her the back.
Oh my goodness! Gives up her back, and Liu Shani
2 hooks in already.
Has 2 hooks in.
I mean, she's really young. Like we said earlier, she's only 21 years old, and she's fighting a very experienced martial artist. I mean, she's really strong, very aggressive. I love Bактыгул's attitude to fighting, but she did just, you know, she risked a lot throwing there, and she paid the price right now with this positional loss.
You know, that's one thing you see with judo techniques in MMA. Some of these throws, in judo, it'd be the end of the match.
Oh, it'll be the ippon, but in jiu-jitsu, you just gave your back and you're submitted.
Yeah, a lot of these throws, if your opponent just follows the momentum through, a lot of the time they can end up on top or attack the back, taking the back.
Or keep rolling and end up in side control.
We also saw that judo position, the Keisagatami position, where Liu Shani was able to escape and take the back. We see that a lot as well. She goes for the armbar.
Only 2 seconds left.
Bактыгул able to defend and get on top.
Любите большой спорт? Интересуетесь ММА или футболом? Тогда сегодня ваш день удачи. Переходите в Telegram по ссылке в прикрепленных комментариях и получайте крупные бонусы по промокоду ALATO. Это реальные эмоции и настоящие победы.
Well, that was nice from Liu Shani. What she does, she realizes there's only 10 seconds left, and she just does the Hail Mary. Yeah.
Why not? I mean, with that fight with Li Fuyao, when he got his arm dislocated in that armbar transition.
Kind of wants to easy.
Look, this slammed down to the mat. They hit the mat with a thud. Big exchange here and a nice headlock throw by Bактыгул. You can tell she's been doing some judo. Liu Shani had some good grappling attacks of her own. She took the back off of this throw attempt.
That was a close first round. Who you got?
Coin flip. I could see it going either way. It's one of those rounds where I bet 2 judges had it for one of them, 1 judge had it for the other. Kурmanbekova is a first stand, the red rep side kick.
Oh, beautiful overhand from Bактыгул. But look at that. The left hand of Liu Shani is so accurate. Nice knee as well.
Going to see another throw attempt. I can guarantee it.
Bактыгул loves those headlock throws. Funny, we see this that much. Is this the same throw? Both my kids love to use in jiu-jitsu competitions. Look at Liu Shani trying to use a whizzer. Very high though. Look at this. Look at the power.
So strong.
Of Bактыгул.
Walks her to her own corner and slams her down.
Right in the corner. Which is inside control.
On top inside control here.
Man, Bактыгул is strong.
Oh man, she just picked her up and carried her across the cage like she was a sack of potatoes.
Very, very physically strong. The 21-year-old Bактыгул. We've seen some fancy escapes here from jumping off the cage and flipping over your opponent. Not so easy to do though. Liu Shani showed she loves to use the armbar. There is that, you know, I think it's called shotgun armbar from side control. She get that right knee inside. Pressure from Bakt was really good. Look how heavy she pressures. No space for Liu Shani.
Looking with a little more.
She almost works her way to the back.
Bактыгул looking to mount there, gets put back in half guard.
Heavy pressure from Bakt. Look at that shoulder in the face.
Absolutely. This has been a great, second round.
It just pulls her back down, back to the floor.
You see kind of a grimace on the face of Liu Shani. Perhaps dealing with the heavy top pressure of Bактыгул. Tenders in this women's strawweight division.
Oh, beautiful punch as well. The intensity from Bakt was just beautiful. Look at that. Just throwing the hands, hammer first, using that left hand, repeatedly finding the face of Liu Shani. The forward pressure of Bakt was just relentless. Heavy hips, putting that shoulder in the face of Liu Shani.
Absolutely, we see Liu Shani unable to get up.
Looks like Liu Shani is fishing for
trying for the guillotine. She does have a guillotine choke on here. I'm not really sure how tight it is. I don't think the cage is her friend here. Stuffed up against the cage. You know, Bактыгул is...
She's holding on tight. She's starting to put on a squeeze.
She's got this guillotine choke.
She's going for it. Bактыгул looks like she's still okay.
There's too much space on the left side of her neck.
That's right.
She's only choking on one side.
Making it very uncomfortable for Bактыгул. But
she also has to be careful because if she squeezes too long and too hard on this,
it's going to blow out her arms.
It's gonna be a deficit later in the fight.
She needs to try and roll out her right elbow over the back. You know that high elbow guillotine. If she can transition to that, I think it'll be good. Right now, I think she...
is fine. Yeah, it's crazy because Bактыгул didn't even really try. You can hanging out. Liu Shani is grimacing here. Maybe those shots to the body are bothering her. You see the grimace on her face?
Yeah, I don't know if she's tired or if she's in pain.
Bактыгul just pounding away to the body here.
Again.
Liu Shani is still hanging on to this guillotine.
Well, I mean, it's also a form of defense, right? You're not really eating too much damage.
10 seconds left here.
She's gunning for it again.
Curious to see how Liu Shani looks when she gets up because, you know, she had a grimace on her face there. I don't know how much energy she expended.
And Bактыгul just stands up, shakes her head and says, that's nothing.
Yeah.
And looking at Liu Shani right now, sitting down.
There's like a look of pain on her face.
She looks pretty exhausted.
Take a look at the action here. Side kick by Liu Shani. Overhand right by Bактыгул.
Doubles up on that overhand and catches the leg at the same time.
Check out this slam. Wow. Picks her up and carries her.
How's your mama? Yep.
Brings her right over to her own corner. Landing some ground and pound. I think it's safe to say that she won that round.
Definitely.
So it could be
1-1 or 2. I don't know. The first round was really close, but I think based on aggression and damage done, Bактыгул did a little bit more with the striking.
I think it could be 1-1. It could also be 2-zip for Bактыгul. Any way you shake it, this is a very important round.
She catches that leg and she's back on top.
Wow.
This is not what Liu Shani wants.
This time, able to get a takedown in the first 10 seconds of the round.
Yeah, she kind of trips her as Liushani does that side kick. Throws the punch, catches the kick, and just trips it down. Nice up kick from Liushani. They're going to stand up again.
The referees are very quick to stand up fights on the ground here tonight.
Maybe that's the new theme here at JCK. If you're going to go down, make it happen. Don't think you're going to stall out fights.
Got to press the action here in JCK.
Nice short elbow. We hear now Liushani shouting, firing herself up, but Bактыгул is tough as nails. She can take a punch, she gives it back with some interest. Oh, stiff jab. Lands from Liushani. Now it's Bактыгул.
Oh, and easy takedown.
Easy takedown.
She changed levels right under the jab of Liushani and got her down easily. Three minutes and 46 seconds left to go.
Here, putting pressure on Liushani, wearing her down, and going to a recipe that's worked for her. Rinse and repeat. Take it down, ground and pound her, stay on top.
Here we go. Now she's mounted.
She's in full mount.
Mounted against the cage. It's a bad spot, and I guarantee you Bактыгул has got heavy hips. Look at that. She's got a heavy mount.
Very strong base.
And
big elbows. Short punches here from Bактыгул. She's so aggressive. At the weigh-ins, she was, being mad respectful. She gave Liushani some gifts. She was, very friendly and respectful, but, I guess the best way to respect an opponent is to come in here and give them your best.
It's a beatdown here from full mount. Kурманбекова Bактыгул is landing some serious shots.
And look at
that. Big
heavy
shots.
Ground and pound. And Liushani looks really fatigued right now.
She's trying to kick, but just would love
round. Can Bактыгул get the finish? Because, could Liushani pull off a come from behind win?
Wow, 4 or 5 successive right hands.
Big punches there.
She almost started to just shell up, and if Bактыгул
she tries for a big bridge.
If she can put together another few successive shots like that, I think she has a good being able to stop this fight.
So the bridge
here can come crashing down.
Nice non-stop ground and pound from Bактыгул. Takes the back.
Flattens her out. Now pound away.
Oh, with those hips on top.
And the finish could be there.
Bактыгул controlling her very, very dominantly here in this third and final round.
Oh, this is
1 minute left to go.
This is a big third round for Bактыгул. Very dominant. Liushani desperately.
Big elbow right in the eye, followed by some more punches. We see that now Liushani, she's really protecting. She's shutting up much more. That elbow is really hard. The referee might be giving a warning pretty soon here. No.
She's never given up, though. She's always trying to defend herself, always moving. She hasn't given up on herself. 30 seconds left to go. I think she's going to be able to ride this one out, but it's a dominant third round for Bактыгул.
Maybe it's 10-8.
Yeah. You know what? I'd probably give a 10-8 for this third round. I think 10-8s aren't given often enough.
Another big elbow. Man, Bактыгул.
Spend 3 minutes on your back.
She's just mean. I love it. She's
Eating
so dangerous.
More going to improve to 2-0 in JCK. And 6-3 overall as a pro. That was a great fight for Kурманбекова. Bактыгул taking a fight against the very experienced and well-rounded Liu Xiaonie. I thought she looked great. Both of them look great here tonight. Show of respect between the two corners. Let's take a look at some of the action from this one. Bактыгул, physically very powerful, able to get takedowns in each of the 3 rounds against her opponent, Liu Xiaonie. Here we see a nice headlock takedown, able to get Liu Xiaonie down to the ground. A failed throw attempt led to Liu Xiaonie taking the back there. You know, Liu Xiaonie did have her moments in this fight, but Kурманбекова Bактыгул, I think her grappling attack proved to be too much. Great top control, very heavy pressure, good ground and pound. And personally, I'd be very surprised if she did not walk away with the decision here tonight. Let's go to the judges' scorecards to see how they have this one.
接下来将会宣布比赛结果。1号裁判28比29 Judge number 1 28-29。2号裁判28比29 Judge number 2 28-29。3号裁判28比29 Judge number 3 28-29。本场比赛3位裁判一致性判定蓝方胜。For the winner, by unanimous decision, win by point, representing Kyrgyzstan, the blue corner, Kурманбекова Бактыгул.